Hi, my name is Nico and I've created the Festive Mini Electric. So I started the Festive Mini project as a bit of fun really, and people loved it, and last year through lockdown I decided to turn it into a fundraising effort and raise lots of money for charity. My mother unfortunately suffers from multiple sclerosis, which is why I'm supporting the MS Trust. And I also met a young boy called Marcus who suffers from Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And when I saw him and I showed him the lights, his face lit up. As well as the MS Trust and Duchenne UK, I've decided to support Alzheimer's Society because it's a charity that is still very close to my heart. Last year I managed to raise £5,000, just over, and this year I would absolutely love to raise over £50,000. If you would like to see me and the Festive Mini in other locations, if you have a look on the website festivemini.com, you will see a calendar with all the locations and the dates, and of course please don't forget to donate.